Okay, so explain about the synchronization concept.
Synchronization is a modifier can applicable for blocks and method. If a block or method declare as a synchronization, at a time only one thread will be accessible. The main advantage of synchronization, we can resolve data inconsistency problem. The main disadvantage of synchronization increases waiting for a thread. Every synchronization is implemented by log concept. There is no specific requirement, then synchronization is not recommended to use. This all about synchronization.
Okay. So explain about the detail about the access modifiers and access specifiers.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
In old language like C, C++, public, private, protected, default are considered as access specifiers. All are remaining like final and static are considered as access modifier. But in Java, there is no such type of division. All are considered as access modifier. Public, if a class declare as a public, we can access that class from anywhere. Default, if a class declare as a default, we can access that class within the current package. Private, if a class declare as a private, we can access that class within class. If a class declare as a protected, we can access that class within the current package and outside of the child class.
Okay, good. So yeah. Okay. So explain about the differences between it. Okay, what are the differences between the constructors and the methods?
By using constructor, we can initialize objects. A method is a block of code. It performs a specific task. In constructor name and class name must be matched, but in method there is no such type of restriction. In constructor is a invoked implicity, method is a invoked explicitly. Constructor provide default value, method is not provide default value. In constructor there is no return type, but method must be have return type.
Okay. Okay. So yeah. So explain about the demon threads concept. Demon threads.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
The threads which are executing in the background is called as daemon thread. The main objective of daemon thread to provide support to non-daemon threads like main thread. For example, garbage collector. The programs runs with low memory. Then JVM will execute garbage collector to provide free memory, and then main thread will be continue to executing.
Okay. So what are the meaning of deadlock versus starvation differences?
The waiting of a thread which are never ends is called as deadlock. The waiting of a thread which are ends certain point, it's called as starvation.
Okay. So in Java, okay, in Java, how many types of class orders are available?
In Java, three types of class loader. One is bootstrap class loader, second one is extension class loader, and third one is application class loader. Bootstrap class loader, it is responsible to load core Java API classes. The core Java API classes are present in rt.jar. Bootstrap class loader is implemented in native languages like C, C++, but it not in Java. Extension class loader is a child class of Bootstrap class loader. Extension class loader is responsible to load classes from extension class load path. Extension class loader is implemented in Java. Application class loader, it is responsible to load application application class loader classes from application class load path. It is implemented in Java.
Okay. So what is the minimum priority of a thread? Okay. Now minimum and maximum and normal. So what are the priorities of a thread?
The minimum priority of a thread is 1, maximum priority of a thread 10, and normal priority of a thread is 5.
Okay. So what is the default thread name? Thread name in Java. Yeah.
Default thread is main thread.
main thread, main name is the okay, main method name is the default thread name. Okay, good. So yeah, so how we can resume a thread and how we can suspend a thread.
A thread a thread can suspend by suspend method, and a thread can resume by resume method.
Okay. Yeah. So what is the meaning of green thread?
The threads which are completely executing by JVM, uh, not using underlying OS level, is called as green thread.
Green thread. Okay. So how we can check? Okay, how we can check whether the thread is daemon or non-daemon? How we can check?
By using is daemon method.
By using is daemon method.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Java yeah. Okay. So you write one example program. Okay. So my requirement is okay. Uh, write a Java program. Whether the string is a palindrome or not. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
First of all, string is a group of character. String is represented with double quotes. Space is also considered as string. Palindrome, palindrome is a word, it is spelled with the same backward and forward.